We have some big news coming in. Sachin Tendulkar has now been hospitalized after he was tested positive of COVID-19. Sachin Tendulkar tweets, and I quote, "Thank you for your wishes and prayers. As a matter of abundant precaution under medical advice, I have been asked to hospitalize. I hope to be back home in a few days. Take care. Stay safe, everyone." In fact, the family says that he should be back home from hospital in 2 days' time. Here's Sachin Tendulkar, who has tested positive of COVID-19 a couple of days ago, among a few other cricketers as well. Sachin Tendulkar too has tested positive. But just a few days after his positive reports came to fore, here's Sachin Tendulkar on the advice of expert doctors has been asked to hospitalize. Rajdeep Sardesai joining us on the phone line. Rajdeep, here is Sachin Tendulkar, who's currently been admitted to a hospital. Any word on his health? Has it fluctuated for that eventually prompted doctors to ask him to hospitalize?
Well, what Nabila, we are learning from Sachin's family members is that there is absolutely nothing to worry about. The symptoms have been mild, but this is being done only as a matter of abundant caution. They insist that there is nothing which has dramatically changed in the last 48 hours to suggest that his condition has worsened in any way. But this seems to be only because his doctors feel that since he has symptoms, he's not an asymptomatic patient, they felt that it would be better that he was under hospital care rather than at home. So they reiterated to me on more than one occasion when I just spoke to them that there is absolutely nothing to worry about. This is purely a precautionary measure which the doctors have suggested.
Sure enough, Rajdeep, here Sachin Tendulkar had been tested positive of COVID-19 a couple of days ago. A few days later, he's been hospitalized. Any word on the kind of symptoms that he has?
Well, again, the word that was used to me was mild symptoms. He did have a cough, which has persisted apparently for the last few days. But again, I think, so that one doesn't sound alarmist in any manner, it isn't as if his situation has in any manner deteriorated. They said he would be under observation for a few days, and I guess that hospital facilities for a symptomatic patient are perhaps being seen as a better way to ensure abundant care and caution. A lot of people whom Mr. Sachin has been in touch with have also in recent days apparently been detected COVID positive, and they too have only had mild symptoms at the moment, Nabila.
All right, Rajdeep, thank you very much for those details. It is indeed concerning considering we're staring at a second wave in the country. Experts suggest that the second wave could have already gripped the country. At a time like this, Sachin Tendulkar, among a few other cricketers, have also tested positive. Sachin, though, has been hospitalized. Let me cut across to Rahul Rahat. Rahul, where exactly has Sachin been hospitalized? And if you can take us through his health update. Have you managed to speak with the hospital, the doctors there, those treating him? All right, I'll cut across to Boria Mazumdar joining us. Boria, any word on Sachin's health? Do we know? He's been hospitalized. Which hospital? Any word on the on his health update? Anything that's come in from the doctors?
I've spoken to the family. I'll put it on record. I've also spoken to Mrinmoy, who heads SRT management, in the last 10 minutes. And they both tell me that they are not wanting to disclose the name of the hospital publicly, because if people gather there, it will become a bit of an issue. So that's what they've requested, not to disclose the name of the hospital publicly. At least the family wants that. But they have assured me that, Sachin, this is more precautionary. They have assured me repeatedly that there is no cause for alarm. They have assured me time and again in the last 15 minutes that all the doctors wanted was to administer the medicines under their supervision. A couple of things in his blood parameters had gone up in terms of the infection. So all the doctors wanted to do was keep him under supervision in front of them in the hospital rather than at home. And they feel that in a few days, 2-3 days or something like that, he should be home. That is what the family has multiple times, and Mrinmoy has told me over the last 15 minutes. So I can assure every Sachin fan there is no cause for alarm. Nabila, there is no cause for alarm.
Thank you very much, Boria, for joining us with those details. Sachin Tendulkar there also putting out on Twitter that he's fine. This is just precautionary, that he has been admitted and he hopes to be back home soon enough.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.